In this lesson, you will learn how to install, set up and use AutoHotkey. So first we navigate to AutoHotkey.com. Then we will click download, download current version. Click the exe file when we have downloaded it. Click yes. Click Express Installation, and then we're done. We can click Exit now. Then let's close the browser, and we can go to our desktop. We can right click here, and we can click the New. And here we can see that we can create an AutoHotkey script. That means that you have installed AutoHotkey. So we can choose that one. So let's create your first script. We have created a new AutoHotkey script here. So right click and then edit script up here. So what we'll do here is that we will create a script. I'll write some code. You don't need to understand it. I will just show you how it works, and we will get back to all the coding in the next lessons. So let's move down here on this line. Then click 2 colons, write RPA, 2 colons more. And then we can write robotic process automation. Maybe we can make some space in between here. And then on the next line, we will write return. So what this simple script does, this is a hotkey here. We'll define that whenever we write RPA, then the script will change it to robotic process automation with spaces in between. And again, we'll come back to the coding. So make sure you save this file. So go up to File, Save. Now we saved it. We can close it down. Then we will need to right click or double click it. So we can either right click here and choose Run Script, or we can just double click it. This will make the script running. We can open up a notebook and let's try to write RPA. So now we can see here that whenever we write RPA and click one button, then it will change it to robotic process automation, like that. So in this lesson, you learned how to install a AutoHotkey, you learned how to create an AutoHotkey script, and you learned to create your first AutoHotkey script. That was a hotkey that changed something that you wrote to something else.